Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned.
Hello team, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you did enjoy my previous vlog, episode 3 and Come Cook With Me. It was super fun to make, and who doesn't like pie? Let me say it was bloody nice. It was so tasty. I'm quite proud of it, even though it wasn't initially what I set out to do with the pastry and what have you, but as long as we got there in the end, right? Today's going to be a bit of a different one. It'll be a little bit of a mishmash and shorter than usual, but we will get back to our regular length in the coming week. I wanted to touch base with you on product review, that 4-day muscle app that I had been using. I have been using the app. I've been following the 4-day plan as it had been set out for me to do. I can honestly say that it hits every single one of your muscle groups and you will be sore the next day. I have to admit that I found it quite limiting because I didn't have majority of the equipment at home, and remember the only reason I started doing this was on the interim for when the gym that I joined up will be opening, and we're actually days away from it opening up. I am going to continue to use it because I've been getting quite a bit out of it, more of my shape being defined. I'm quite excited about using it in the new gym when it finally opens. And that's because I'm able to utilize the app in its 100% capacity. And hopefully my results will continue to grow from there. Thanks to Adam for getting all of this done. I'm actually going to do a little bit of it myself. I've got my rake with me. I've got my tunes in. Let's tackle the back garden, shall we? This is definitely bigger than what I expected. I don't know how I let it get to this. Okay, we got some sort of progress here. If we can remember what it used to look like. And I will insert a picture somewhere. Some more progress. All that massive pile is from Adam. Adam ripped all of that out and it came out of there. That's this side. He didn't get around to it, lazy bastard. That's because he was tired. He had been at it the whole entire day. But that was all of here and all down the side of the house, which you saw previously in this clip. I just raked a whole bunch of stuff, the whole ground. You can see this pile here. It doesn't do it justice. It's quite large. Nowhere near as large as that. But hey, it's work. And I cleared the entire walkway. Once I've done a bit more work, I will show you. What have I learned today in my little foray or my excursion outside? Firstly, I have learned I can't blame anyone but myself for the state of my backyard. Secondly, I also learned that I've got a whole bunch of underutilized space outside. I don't know why I didn't do something about it sooner. I also reaffirmed that I am not a person with a green thumb. Just doing that bit that I did out there just then, around half an hour's worth of raking and picking up loose bits, was enough for me.
Adam was literally out there for majority of the day when he was over on Thursday, I think it was. And he was complaining about his fingertips and his lower back and his arms and what have you. Actually, I don't think he was complaining about his arm, but he was complaining about his bum, his glutes, from doing all of the pulling of the weeds. And these roots of the grass out there are like thick. I just tried pulling a bunch out and I was like, wow, this is a bit of work. Note to future Hayden. If you ever find that you can't be bothered doing your back garden, I want you to look back on this vlog and then realise you are being a lazy little bitch. I want to thank you, subscribers. We have reached 400. Thank you for believing in me and taking the time to listen to what I have to say. Let's keep it coming.
Thank you for watching today, team. We know the song and dance at the end of this clip. If you have not done so already, make sure you have subscribed. You have hit that little bell. You drop me a like and a comment and you keep on watching.